Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about leads. We all know that our businesses definitely need leads. So I had started my lead gen secret, probably about 8 months ago, and I heard a lot of negative, nah, 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 nah. So I decided to quit. Well, I really didn't want to spend another $60 to get started and then the $30 a month. So one of the things I wanted to show you is that if you already did start My Lead Gen Secret, you can come back without paying that initial fee. So let me show you the email I received today. All right, so if you did start My Lead Gen Secret, here is the email that I asked if I didn't have to pay that additional $30 setup fee because I've already done that. So not all websites will allow you to do that. So it says, "Hi, Leah Fike. Please feel free to upgrade your account at any time within My Lead Gen Secret members area." They give you the link to log in, and you will not be charged a second $30 setup fee to upgrade, just the normal $30 membership fee. Once the upgrade you will have access to the accumulated leads and provided mailer. Thank you for your patronage and look forward to the opportunity of working with you again, Brett. So one of the cool things about that is I did go ahead and click on the link and go ahead and get logged in. So let's jump back over there. So I wanted to get started right away. So I'm back at My Lead Gen Secret. This is a software that helps you have 200 leads a day. How cool is that? So these are people that are looking for opportunities and something maybe they want to do from home, maybe they want to buy a product, anything like that. So I jump back in, and here I've loaded all my leads. So I have 4,500 leads. So right now I can go ahead and get started again and send. So I went ahead and started. So right here it does give you options to add these at the top or wherever you want to write in to your email. And then here down below, I went ahead and created my email and wanted to get started with the 3-click marketing because we have retargeting going on right now. So I want to help people before April 1st so that they can get on and have these retargeting ads right from this all-in-one software. So I'll put my picture, my name, and my information. Here they can click on my Facebook and check out other businesses. So this is absolutely simple and easy. So since I had started a while back, it was 200 leads a day. So you can see those 200 leads go clear back to, what is that, June? So now I'm starting back in March. So here I'm really excited that they let me keep those 4,500 leads. Super exciting. So here I'm going to go ahead and send out this message. I select perfect timing, assuming they know when that's going to be. You can also preview your message here. So if you want to alter or change, put anything in there. It works just like any other designer, so you could change the colors if you want. So if I wanted to change the color on this, I definitely could. I can add more images. I can do whatever it takes to do that email. So we are sending to cold leads, but not a problem. If you don't have leads, you don't have a warm list. So we definitely want them to get looking and clicking. So here I'm going to go ahead and send this email. You can see it working down below. If you have any problems, it will let you know. I did have a few problems. And now my message has been queued. You should now be able to view it in the stats page in a few moments. Please wait before the next mailing. So I can come back tomorrow at the same time and go ahead and get started with my next mailing. The only thing I wish it did have is scheduling. I wish I could schedule an email, but not a problem. You just need to have a process in your day to go ahead and make sure that you do your mailings daily. So here you can go ahead and look at the stats. We know we just sent that, so we'll let it do its thing and come back to it tomorrow. Here you can go ahead. It does have an affiliate program, so you can go ahead and click on affiliates. That information will be down below. And you'll be able to see this, the sales page and the splash page. And here it does break down the money as you earn as an affiliate. But nothing like making your marketing free. You definitely want an affiliate program attached to something like that because it allows you to keep your marketing for free and still have the tools that you can use on a daily basis. One of the things I really do love about this program is if you do get 5 within a week, let's see here, for every 5 new customers that you refer in a week, you will get a $100 cash bonus. And there's no limit. So refer 25 new paid customers in a week and you'll earn 500. So for $30 a month, this is absolutely amazing. That's only $1 a day to send out to your list or send to the list and grow and expand, maybe get some sales out of it and have people looking at your products. So if you'd like to learn more, please do subscribe and click down below. Be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. I'll be doing more videos and I'll see you on tomorrow. Have a great day and thanks for watching. Bye for now.